Okay, so reproduction is the process of forming new individuals. The individual can be an animal or a plant from the existing plant or animal. This is the definition. Then now we have why reproduction is important. So we have some points there. First of all, continuity of life, that is the most important and foremost point. Continuity of life. Why reproduction is important? Because we have to continue the life cycle. ঠিক আছে, আমি আমার ফ্যামিলি কন্টিনিউ কৰিব লাগিব না নাই, তার কারণে রিপ্রোডাকশন ইজ ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট। ঠিক আছে, দেন উই হ্যাভ স্টেবিলিটি, then we have adaptation with changing environment, changing environment. Then we have variation and we can say evolution. So the first point was continuity of life. This is very easy. You got it. Stability, because why? We have to maintain the population in a society, right? Like suppose to maintain the balance, the ecosystem, there must be a balance between all the plants, all the organisms, all the animals. So that's why reproduction is very important. And these all the factors are equally applicable to all the plants and animals. I am not specifically talking about plants or animals. I will come to that later. Then adaptation with the changing environment. Of course, because the environment is changing every day. Suppose the way we see, suppose you all guys are from the Gen Z environment. I am not. I am a millennial. But because of the reproduction, because of the changing environment, now AI has come, or all the technologies are like uh, growing in such a way. Maybe আমি হয়তো সেইটো কেতিয়াও এডাপ্ট কৰিব নোৱাৰিলো হেতেন। ঠিক আছে, আজিকালি কিয়, আজিকালি টেকনলজি ইমান বাঢ়ি গৈছে, তো আমি এডাপ্টেশন মানে কি হয় যে আমি নিজকে খাপ খুৱাব লাগিব সেই সিচুৱেশ্যনটোৰ লগত। তো তাৰে কাৰণে কি হয়, ৰিপ্ৰডাকশ্যন ইজ ভেৰি ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট। আল্টিমেটলি অল দ্য পইণ্টছ আৰ ইণ্টাৰলিংকড। কাৰণ লাইফটো কণ্টিনিউ কৰা মানে কি, নতুন জেনেৰেশ্যন এটা আহি আছে, দেট মিনছ ষ্টেবিলিটি হৈ আছে, দেট মিনছ নতুন জেনেৰেশ্যনটো নিজেও এডাপ্ট হৈছে এণ্ড দে আৰ হেল্পিং আছ উইথ দ্য এডাপ্টেশ্যন। অ'কে, then variation. Variation is very important. So through the reproduction, variation comes because যদি তোমালোকে, if you have noticed that we don't exactly look like our parents, we look very different. কিছুমান মানে এনেকুৱা cases থাকে, there are some cases where the child looks exactly like we have seen in case of some film stars like Saif Ali Khan or something, his sons. So in some cases they look exactly like their parents, but in most of the cases, or we can say 90% of cases, the child look very different from the parents. Why? Because of variation. Now I will explain later why this variation happens. And evolution also, it is the same as the adaptation. The more people will get adapted to a new environment, the more they will be evoluted. Now what is evolution? Suppose if we take example of giraffe, okay, so when the giraffes were first born, or they were like they came to the earth, their neck was not this much of long, it was very short. But somehow they found that they live by eating the uh, like leaves of the trees. So that's why, because they knew it, so after too many years or ages of practicing that thing, their neck eventually became longer, and now we can see giraffes like that. So this is a very much example of evolution. So now you got it, what is evolution? When any organism or any plant tries to get adapted to a new environment, some morphological changes come to their body, or maybe morphological means the outer changes, okay, anatomical means the inner changes. Even anatomical changes can also come, but it is very rare. Most of the time the morphological changes come. You can try some examples by yourself. Suppose maybe some of the like people go to gym, okay, so before going to gym they may look like some like kind of this, their hands may be not strong enough, or maybe their necks are very turned to something like that. But when they continuously go to gym, that means what? They are evaluating their selves, they are continuously going to gym, they are exercising, that means they are making new muscle memory, they are adapting themselves to a new, very new environment, and that is called evolution. বুঝি পাইছানে evolution কি হয়? যে যেতিয়া মানুহে এটা নতুন এনভাইৰনমেণ্টত যায়, তেতিয়া সেই এনভাইৰনমেণ্টটোৰ লগত নিজকে খাপ খুৱাবৰ কাৰণে কিছুমান চেঞ্জেছ কৰিব লাগে। যদি আমি এটা এক্সাম্পল লওঁ, যে চাবা পলাৰ বিয়াৰ বিলাক যে থাকে, দে হেভ মানে মাছ, তেওঁলোকৰ বডিত বহুত বেছি নোম থাকে ইন কম্পেৰিজন টু দ্য নৰ্মেল বিয়াৰ। যিবিলাক পলাৰ বিয়াৰ জানানে, বগা ভালুক বিলাক থাকে যে হেৰিত, বৰফৰ দেশবিলাকত। ৱাই? বিকজ ইট ইজ ভেৰি কোল্ড দেয়াৰ। তো নিজকে ৱাৰ্ম কৰিবৰ কাৰণে দে মাষ্ট হেভ প্ৰটেক্টেড দেমছেল্ফ ইন চাচ এ ৱে, চ' তেওঁলোকৰ লাইক উইদিন মানে উইথ স্পেন অফ টাইম তেওঁলোকৰ মানে ফাৰ্ষ্ট বিলাক গ্ৰ' কৰিলে, এণ্ড নাও হোৱাট ইজ দে লুক লাইক। চ' দিছ ইজ দ্য ইম্পৰ্টেঞ্চ অফ ৰিপ্ৰডাকশ্যন। তো নোটছত মই তোমাক ভালকে দি দিম, ৱাই